Hello and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Happy New Year 2024. I hope everybody had a great evening. Today, I'm enjoying a day off from cooking. Let me show you what we got going on. Just put out snacks of some of the fun food that Robin and I prepared yesterday and the day before. We're taking it easy. I'm not cooking a major meal. It's just fun food and snacks. I hope you have a wonderful day and eat great food. Happy New Year again, and have fun cooking.